Web browsing with your Krave. Krave comes in an HTML browser so you can visit many of your favorite sites when you're away from your computer. In this video, I'll tell you about some things you may already know and hopefully some new stuff too. First, yes, the browser is nowhere near as good as iPhone or some of the other phones out there, but remember, this is a flip phone first with other stuff added to make the experience better. This is not a web browser with the phone added. Tip 1. Make sure you are on good EV coverage. If you look at the signal bars up top, you should try to get as many as possible. If you have no EV and only 1x, the pages will download very slowly due to the network, not the phone. Remember, EV means fast 3G speeds. To get a better signal, try standing in a different spot. Always remember to keep your hand away from the bottom where the antenna is. Tip 2. Moving this little cursor can be tough. Notice how the tip of the ring moves from left to right. The key is that the tip is pointing to what you want to select. Try this. Before you want to select something, position the cursor by first ignoring the cursor and pressing the spot on the screen you want to select. Here, let me show you. Here, let's try that again. To scroll within a page, first I move the cursor out of the way, then just grab an empty space and drag it. Here, let's see that. Tip 3. When something is highlighted, gently tap the middle of the cursor to select it. The inside of the cursor would change to red, telling you it's selected or clicked something. The bottom display shows you it's loading. Some websites take a long time, so have patience. Tip 4. Did you know you can surf in landscape mode? Notice the bottom of the screen. It goes from 4 menu items to 7. I like going to landscape when I'm going to need those menus. It makes things a little easier to find. Tip 5. I won't cover the boring Verizon homepage, but let's see how to get to a regular web page like YouTube. Just press the www key here and that's all there is to it. But beware, many websites know you are a mobile phone and will take you to their mobile version site, which may be different from the regular website. Tip 6. Did you know you can view videos within the browser? I like break.com. Let's see how that looks. Tip 7. Make a personal homepage. You can't change the silly Verizon home screen, but you can set this little red home house button at the bottom for a quick jump to your favorite web page. To do that, go to Menu, More, Homepage, Edit Homepage URL. Tip 8. Adding favorites. It's easy to add any site to your favorite bookmarks. Let's add Outback Jack9 from YouTube. Tip 9. Settings. Here's one that took me a while to find. When you click on Menu, it only shows you 5 on Portrait and 2 here on Landscape. The trick is that you can scroll through these to get to others. Another tip is that the menu settings can change depending on what you've previously selected. Here, let me show you that in the next tip. Tip 10. Multi-touch. No, there is no cool zoom in, zoom out with 2 fingers like the iPhone. You can zoom in or out on this phone, but it's not as easy. Here, let me show you. To zoom out, you must be in Landscape. Then press Menu, Display Mode, Widescreen. Once in widescreen, your menu will have a new choice, Zoom Levels. Then pick a level, you'll see a blue box. Select that blue box and the display will resize. That's all I have time for in this video. If there are enough views on this YouTube post, maybe I'll do another web browser one showing more features. See ya in the next one.